me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with a review. I'm trying some new products by Curlsmith and just showing you how I do my wash and go. So this is going to be a kind of a talk through / demo. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Curlsmith products, so I decided to pick them up. First thing that I have is the Double Cream Deep Quencher, and this is a deep conditioner. I'm just going to show you each product. The next product is the Weightless Air Dry Leave-In Conditioner. Followed by the Bouncy Stretch Volume Foam. Okay, so let's see. I have low porosity hair, meaning that my cuticles are basically closed, okay, and I have to force product into my hair. High porosity hair, the cuticles are basically wide open. They are ready to receive any kind of product that you. And medium porosity hair is slightly open, so it's slightly open where it still can receive products. You may have to work a little bit, but not as hard as you have to really work when you have low porosity hair. The cuticles are basically closed shut. So this is the results. This is like 3 days wash and go. It's already been done. I really didn't fluff it out like I usually do big because I just wanted to just see how long my wash and go will last. So this is 3 days and it still looks good. I have volume, I have movement. Okay, so I am really so far pleased with the products, but I'm going to show you what I do. Before I use any new products, I always like to wash my hair thoroughly, like clarify my hair. I need to remove all of the residue and products that's weighing my hair down, okay? Low porosity hair cannot have a lot of buildup. For instance, when I let my wash and go last 7 days, I have to use a clarifying shampoo. I have to remove all of the buildup out of my hair. So first I go in and shampoo my hair really well with the clarifying shampoo. Some people don't like the hair squeaky clean. I don't like it all the time squeaky clean, but most of the time when I have a lot of buildup, I have to have it squeaky clean. Low porosity hair really needs that. When you're reviewing products and just trying it out for the first time, you need to remove everything out of your hair. Once I do that, I go in with Zion Health Deep Cleansing Scalp and Hair Scrub. After shampooing my hair, what I like to do is use this Scalp and Hair Scrub by Zion Health. And this is in the Pear Blossom smell. It smells really good. It looks like it's a soft type of exfoliator. It's like an exfoliator for your scalp, okay? And you can run it down your hair. So what I do first, I like to get in there and cleanse my scalp. I really make sure I put it on the tips of my fingers and just work it into my scalp, really making sure I cleanse it as well as, you know, bring blood flow to that area, because blood circulation in the scalp helps promote healthy hair growth, okay? I do know that, and the way this makes my scalp feel really cleansed, and then I bring it down the length of my hair. And once I bring it to the length of my hair, I kind of just go in and kind of massage it and make sure I don't leave it in there a long time. I just go through it and make sure it is saturated, and then I rinse this product out. I was a little skeptical at first when I received this. I said, let me try it, because I'm always willing to try products, and if I like them, I would definitely bring it to you. So yeah, this is a nice hair scrub that I start off with. Next, I use the Curlsmith Double Cream. What is it? The Curlsmith Double Cream Deep Quencher. But I can feel that it's hydrating my curls. So I like to apply this and I run it through my curls. Make sure I apply it all through the length. It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I left this on for maybe 45 minutes, maybe an hour, really. And the next thing that I use is the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and this is a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. This actually has wild murmur, bassa seed oil, hyaluronic acid. Now come on, this has hyaluronic acid in this. It has grated ginger, dragon fruit polyp, torn wild nettle, silky castor oil. It says it is a leave-in for all hair types, but it actually seals and softens the cuticle. So I like to use products like this when, especially it says weightless air dry cream, and I like to air dry my hair because it just comes out better. So when I applied this on, it went on silky, it just glided through my hair. My hair drank this up, okay? And it didn't really, you know, usually I have to really work products in and just force it. So I was still doing the same thing. I take my time and I really work the product through my hair. That is key. Working the product through your hair cuticles. Really take your time and do it. Wash and go isn't just wash and go. Maybe take between 30 to 45 minutes average. I'm to the point now, it may take me a good 10 to 15 minutes because I know how to do it now. You know, I've been natural for about 5 years now, maybe 6, and I really just have learned to really make that product penetrate through my hair. However, this glided through. Okay? It actually says, it says how to feed your hair. Apply to soaking wet hair. That is key too, because your hair has to be soaking wet in order for the products to work. I like my hair to be dripping wet. That's why throughout the process you see me spraying my hair. Your hair has to be soaking wet, okay? Rake through to ensure you are evenly coating all strands. Then use the praying hand method to smooth all locks down. Seal the moisture in to take to the cuticle. Best results in definition, air dry, and use combination with the Curlsmith Hydro Gel. I didn't purchase the gel, so I didn't use the gel. But lately I love using the combination of like a foam, a styling foam, and a gel. I love the combination. So I purchased the Bounce Strength Volume Foam and applied it with the Eco Styling Gel, one of my favorite gels. Okay, so what I did, I sectioned my hair for big sections because the product goes on better instead of little sections. It seems like I get too much. So 4 bigger sections work great for me. So I apply the foam to it, make sure I really evenly distribute that. I really drench my hair. You may see me spraying water throughout the video because your hair, my hair, I've learned work best with soaking drenched hair. My curls look better and they dry better, okay? So once I apply the foam, then I use a little bit of gel and I rub it into my hands and rake it throughout each section. I'm just gonna let you watch what I actually do for a little bit. Let it air dry with it, you know, pushing it up a little bit. That's how I like it to air dry. Once it is completely dry, it took me probably about, I'll say 2.5 to 3 hours to dry. I applied a little bit of the Milani multi-use pure oil blend. I apply that and I just scrunch it up on the ends of my hair to really make sure. It's a little bit of gel cast, but not much at all, which I love. I like a little bit of hold, but not too crunchy. A little bit of hold where my hair is still, it still moves. I love that. What happened, I was gonna show you how it looked when I finished the middle part, but my camera died and I just took it out and charged it and never picked it back up. So, but now, okay, it's like 3 days later, the curls are still looking wonderful. Let me just show you how they look on 3-day hair. little bit of frizz, but not much. A little bit of frizz, but you know, I like the frizz. I don't really get mad at the frizz. Okay. So yeah, I do like the body, I like the volume, and my hair's growing a little bit more, I can tell, because it's hanging more. I don't have to really pull it and stretch it to hang. So I'm just leaving it alone these days and let the shrinkage do its shrinkage. But I can honestly say with the weightless air dry cream, this really lightweight leave-in, it really helped my hair to retain some of the length as it dried. I like it. I like it a lot. I think I'm going to try the gel and mix the gel and the foam together to see how that works with the Curlsmith Hydro. I think it says Hydro Gel. So yeah, for low porosity hair, I call this a winner. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for just taking time out to watch my videos. All the products will be listed in the description box below. Anyway guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.